Yo, what's going on guys, this is Barefox, and in this video today we're going to be talking about the most trending topic, that is how we can upload videos longer than 1 minute on Instagram. Now this is one of the most searched topics on YouTube, so today I'm going to be trying to make a video on that, and I hope this works out. This is really simple and you do not need to crop your video or you have to do anything. It is just simple. It's from Instagram. We do not need any other application. So first of all, let's open the Instagram, and before that let me show you the video clip that I'm going to be uploading. So this video is over here. Now you guys can see it's 3 minute 34 second long, and I'm going to be uploading this clip to Instagram. So first of all, let me go up to my Instagram. Let me open this thing up. Alright, so there are all the posts. You guys cannot see that because I just blurred it off. Now this is my profile. If you guys wanna go follow me, just come back. So what the place where you have to go is your home, and over there you guys can see an icon. This is igtv icon. You have to go over here, click plus, select the video that you want to upload. Now that's for me. Click next, and you have to select the cover from here. So for me, the cover that is gonna be somewhere over here. This one. Yeah, this is gonna be the cover that I'm gonna be using for my clip. Okay, that's the cover. Hit next. Now for the title, let me type in. Alright, now that's the description, and now you're gonna hit the post button. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the video is still uploading, and we're gonna just wait a bit. If you guys think that I had helped you guys, make sure to do leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Since you guys can see, we are almost 4,200 subscribers, so please support us out. Make sure to do leave a subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're gonna be uploading these videos each and every single week, or I guess twice or thrice in a week. So for that, stay tuned guys, and bye.